next one is more focused on like how to play with icons in Tableau visualization. The recent project in which I worked, I came around like many situations where you have to work a lot on icons to get more customized one. So just let me create a visualization for it. Though here the icon and data are not relevant, we will try to take the features like how to implement in Tableau, and those takeaways we will take, leaving the data and icons which we are trying to present here. So let me make a So for the time being, I have filtered only furniture. And sales is in bars and profit. Let me drop it in. Let me do a dual axis as well. Dual axis, synchronized axis. So now we have dual axis of sales and profit. Let me hide the header and convert sales to bar and profit to some shape. Okay, so here we all know, but just for a quick recap, if you would like to add any template or any icon into Tableau, what we are supposed to do is we have in my documents we do have a folder saying my Tableau repository. So once if we go to documents, there will be my Tableau repository, and here we will have a separate dedicated folder for shapes. There you can create new folder and add the icons whichever you would like to. So here I have added a cases on separate folder. So and I have added 2 icons. So we will just try, and this is the way we will try to add customized icons into Tableau. So first we have to go to my documents, then my Tableau repository and shapes, and if you create folder and you can add, you will be able to see here. So for profit, let me go for cases and let me select this globe icon for this. Currently we are not able to see icon because the measure names is dropped into color. Let me remove it. So now we are able to see. And in this case, we don't have much issue because the icon is opaque, and anyway, the background won't be shown at any point, and it's okay to have this icon. But assume a case where we have one more icon, something like this one. If you apply, you can see this is circular, and there is a square kind of white background which doesn't sync or which doesn't look good with the visualization. To get rid of this, what we can do is we will just try to remove this white background. So that we'll have only this globe. So to do that, what you have to do is, when I did some research, I found a site which directly removes off the background. So this is the site remove.bg. Once you upload image directly, so I am uploading this image. When I try to upload the image gets uploaded, and by default this site removes the background, and at the end we will get the one without the background. Let's see what's the difference. I'm just copying it and pasting in the my Tableau repository. So just KKSS VI represent KKSS edited icons, and I have dropped this icon here. And let's go there and check more shapes. Let me click more. Oh, currently it's not there. Let's reload the shape, and now we are able to see it. Apply. Okay. So now you can see all those, the white background went off, and now we have only the icon, and now it's like the look and feel. If you compare the earlier one and this one, like this is much better, I would say. And if you want to drop the values and show, then you can just drop it in text, and you can do some formatting where you like to have on top. And also in this case you have to change the size of bars accordingly, so we will get the text on the top. We'll try to reduce the size of it. This is a one tip on icon. Like when it comes to translucent or transparent icon, if you remove the background, the look and feel will be better, and we saw how to remove the background as well. And one more feature in icon I would like to add. Here currently the sales and profit, those are large value and volume. The user is not so much precise about the values. But assume a case like where you have reviews like out of 5, 4.3 or 4.4, the user will be more interested or more precise on where the value lies. In that case, instead of showing this like a circle and here, the user would like to pinpoint or point a value on a particular where it lies in the bar. You can just go forward and add a line on top of this icon, so the user will be knowing exactly like where this icon or where this value lies. So in order to do that, what I thought of is first I add this icon, then along with the icon, just what I will do is I will go just insert a line on top of this like this. Then I will just format it to like increase the thickness or and change the color and everything. And I will save this icon, save as picture. So I saved this icon over there. Now we will see how to input that, and we have to do slight some modification in the size and font, all this. So let me input the. So now the user will be able to exactly see like where the values exactly lie. Here in this case it doesn't matter, but when it comes to review and all ratings, those are the users are even so much concerned about the decimal values. So in that case, this kind of pointing helps a lot. So user will be able to see exactly where my value lies or where my benchmark of a company lies. You can accordingly adjust the size of bar so it looks better. And so these all are the features or tips and tricks I had for today. If you guys have any doubt, I'll answer them, or else we'll close
this. Just to add to what Jairam was saying, right? This kind of visualization, it's like a speedometer. It's analogous to a speedometer, I would say, albeit it's on a linear scale rather than on a circular scale. So that mark with that line shows you, how much they have covered. In that way, it helps them get a relative view of the current position. It's very good way of visualizing the thing. And thanks Jairam also for that tip on removing the background, because most of the time I think we work with the default options in Tableau, but certain advanced visualizations require us to use images. And so far what I was doing was I would normally use Photoshop to remove that background and then put it where we need, put the transparent image. But if there's a website that does this by default, it saves a lot of time.
Thanks, sir.